Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Amy and I love to make videos about makeup and shopping and all those girly things. Today I have a big TJ Maxx haul to share with you. These are always my favorite things because I love finding good deals, maybe some things that I missed out on the first time around makeup wise, or home goods, stuff for my kitty cats. They have literally everything, and to me it's just so fun to like find a bargain. So a lot of the times I will take you guys with me while I shop on my weekly vlogs. Definitely be sure to check those out, and of course don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. That way you can see some of my finds when I find them. This is probably from about 3 or 4 shopping trips because not every time is going to be that successful. Sometimes I only find one thing, sometimes I find more. So without further ado, let's dive right in and see what I got recently at TJ Maxx. I'm going to start with this bag. This one is tied up. I've got to rip into it. Okay, so I really racked up on the sheet mask during this trip. I remember this one. So the first one is the Creme Shop. It's called Slow Down Skin. And they are little sloths. They're so cute. This particular one is infused with Renewing Rose. It was $3.99 and it comes with 3 sheet masks. So each mask looks like this. And with these particular masks, they do have the animal face on them. So when you put it on, you have like the print of the animal. Cannot wait. I will definitely put it in my Instagram stories when I use this one. It's gonna be funny. I got the Holika green tea. This is 10 sheets and this was $7.99. It's only about 80 cents a sheet. That's pretty good. I have used one of these and actually really liked it. So again, it looks just like the box. Really cute. Lately when it comes to sheet masks, I've really been looking for the Essence masks. I feel like they work a bit better, which this is an Essence mask. So this is a great prep for the rest of your skincare too. So it'll kind of hydrate the skin, give that essential hydration back. That way your skincare is going to work better and your skin will not be dehydrated before you put any of your products on. I also got 2 Neogen sheet mask box. So the first one is Mexican Aloe, 10 sheets in these. This one was $9.99 but still only $1 per mask. I also picked up the argan oil, which this one is nourishing. The Mexican Aloe will soothe and calm. So again, $9.99 for 10, but I still think that's a pretty good deal. $1 for a really good sheet mask. I think that's totally worth it. And Neogen is a Korean brand if you are not familiar. Moving on to a Japanese brand, I picked up these Shiseido Cottons. So this was $2.99 and it comes with, how many? It comes with 40 cotton squares. So these are really, really good. I think for these, typically it's about $5 for 40, but I usually get the big pack. I think I will put one of these in a giveaway for you guys. I love these, and if you haven't tried them, you need to try them. So I'm gonna set one of those aside. Now this was a particularly exciting find. This is the Beca One Perfecting Brush. I've actually wanted this one for a while and I just wasn't willing to pay that much for it. I think retail this one's around like 35, 40 bucks, something crazy, but this was $12.99 and I had heard through the grapevine that this brush would be going away eventually. So I am excited to get my hands on it. So this is a very unique brush. It comes like this. The bristles on this are so nice. They're soft but still have some density to the bristle. Sometimes I feel like the softest brushes don't really cut it. So this one's really nice, but it's nice and dense. And I feel like you could do a lot of things with this. You could powder the face, you could contour the face. You could definitely do that, but I just can't wait to use this. I think with a finishing powder and just like lightly dusting the face is going to be really, really nice. So the One Perfecting brush for $12.99. I got from Nature Republic the Soothing and Moisture Aloe Vera 90% toner. So this is literally 90% aloe vera, which is really cool. And I believe, yeah, this is a Korean brand called Nature Republic. This was $6.99. I have not used this brand in the past, but I am really excited to. And I was like, wow, 90% aloe, that's got to be nice. And I feel like lately my skin has been a little bit more sensitive than usual, so I feel like this will be nice to soothe before my skincare. I got one thing from Covergirl. This is the Outlast All Day Custom Reds. So this is Extraordinary Fuchsia is the color. So this is the one where it has like the balm and then the lip color. So just a little balm, and then the other is this really pretty reddish fuchsia color. So this one looks a little bit more like a stain. So that is the color there. It says it can last as long as 24 hours. So you apply the color, let it dry 60 seconds, and then apply the moisturizing top coat. So I've used something like this back in the day. Oh my god, I can't remember. And maybe it was Covergirl even back then that I was using. But I actually really liked it. I used it for the longest. So I feel like on a day where I want juicier looking lips, but I want the color, this is going to be great. Because the color kind of lasts longer, and then the balm you can reapply as needed. I also have 2 hand soaps that I picked up for my bathrooms. They're called Cactus Blooms. We have cactus and lime with coconut oil, and then we have aloe and lavender with coconut oil. These are so freaking cute, and hopefully they're decent hand soaps too that aren't too drying. These were $5.99. Ooh, these were $5.99 a piece, so $6. Definitely paid a little bit for the look of them, but oh, so cute and clean and summery. Oh, I also got these Japanesque tweezers. This is a trio, and it's like different shaped and size tweezers. I thought that was really cool. I've used Japanesque brushes in the past, and they're really good. This was only $5.99, and these look like they're really good quality. Yeah, these seem really nice, so I feel like these fine point ones really come in handy. And you've got a silver, a gold, and then a rosy gold one. I also got this from Holika. This is another one of the Gudetama products. So this one's literally like a little egg, and this is actually like the little cap to the product opens like that. So it's a little Gudetama face, and this is the Lazy and Easy Smooth Egg Peeling Gel. So I'm thinking this is more like an enzymatic peel, like Boscia has one. Yeah. So this is one of those gels that you basically like smooth onto the skin, and then you massage it in, and little like the surface dead skin kind of comes off. It's kind of like gross and cool at the same time. So this is like a really very gentle way to exfoliate if you are easily irritated. That smells nice too. I absolutely had to get this. You know I love some Gudetama stuff. And then the last thing in this bag is the Flesh Tone Lip Pencil from Kevyn. This is Cerise, and it was only $4.99. This is Flesh Tone. This definitely looks like a red. I didn't remember what color it was when I picked it out. So this is more of like a blue-based red. It's pretty intense, so that's the color there. Actually kind of goes well with that Covergirl. But I'd never tried a Kevyn lip pencil before, so I just felt like this would be a nice one to try out. As you guys know, I have a blanket obsession. It's a problem, I'm gonna be honest. It's a super soft oversized throw. It was $16.99, and this one has cats doing yoga. Can you even stand it? Look at that one right there in the middle. Oh my god. And this one's a big guy. It's a 60 by 70. So this is pretty massive, and it's so cuddly. I can't wait to use it. Another bag. I got more sheet masks. So 2 more from Holika. I got the Damask Rose. Again, 10 for $7.99. And then the Pearl. Same deal. So there are both packagings. I think I've used the rose one. I don't think I've used the pearl one yet, but very excited. Again, these are both Essence sheet masks, so I feel like these are really the ones that are above and beyond. So if you're ever in the market for a sheet mask, check out the Essence versions. I think you'll find that they are pretty good. Also, with all these sheet masks, when I get boxes like this, I always throw 1 or 2 of a bunch of them into my giveaways. So definitely stay tuned. If you're subscribed and turn on notifications, you'll know when I do a giveaway. I should have one coming up really soon because it's been a while and I just want to do one. Another thing from Holika, actually 2 more things. This is the Aloe 92% shower gel. So that seemed really interesting and very soothing. I love a good shower gel that's basically not too drying. I'm trying to go like sulfate free or very low amount of sulfates if I can, and this should be a good option, so I'm eager to try that out. And then I got another one of the Gudetama Lazy and Easy. This is the All Kill Cleanser Oil to Foam. I've actually bought a few of these. And then another Kevyn. This is the Neo Elixir for $14.99. This is a pretty pricey item. I'll try to remember to put the price on the screen. So this one is, it's like a tri-phase oil. So if you can tell, it's like separating in multiple layers, and then you give it a really good shake. It's pretty light. I tried it on my hand when I first got it. I was really impressed with it. It's very lightweight on the skin, and you can just tell like the difference in the overall healthy look of the skin, but it does not feel greasy. It doesn't feel heavy. This is going to be a great one under makeup. Oh, and I've got to insert a clip of the cat bed that I got for my cats. There's like a little dome. It's a taco. Let me insert the clip for you. Got the taco cat bed. Hey, buddy. Oh, Sally, you waiting on your turn? This was $20. Maybe. Hi. You like it? Wow. Everybody wants in. Everybody wants in the taco. And then we also have the Uzu Bear. I don't know what this was. I was just really intrigued by it. So this is a Water Bang Hydrating Mask. This was $7.99. This is, yeah, another Korean brand. I've seen this bear somewhere before, but I've never actually had any of these products. So I want to just pop this open. Okay, so there are multiple in here. I really didn't know. So there are 5 masks. You have this little ampule, like, was it Dr. Jart has some like this. So the ampule you press to mix, so you get like a freshly mixed face mask. So again, 5 of those. Those look really cool. I can't wait to try those out. I got another one of my trusty body scrubs. This is the Harper coffee scrub. It's coffee and coconut for only $5.99. I always keep one of these in the shower, and I try to remember to use it maybe like once a week. I used it today and my skin feels so soft. I got this planner. This is a 2019 to 2020, and it just has cats all over it. I am the biggest sucker. And this actually starts July 2019, and I was like, wow, this is kind of like meant to be. So I can start using this in July, and it's got like your nice little layout. It's a bit more simplistic, but I really like that. There's some places for notes. Like lately I've been wanting to like track maybe what I'm eating, things like that, and how my intermittent fasting is going, blah blah blah. So $4.99 for that. I got this I Do Care mini magic clay. It has 5 mini clay masks in it. This was only $5.99, and I was like, this is really cute. And I think I saw this not long ago on Ulta's website. So I got the Calming Calamine Clay Mask, the Pure to the Pore Cleansing Volcanic Ash Clay Mask. So they're little bitty guys like this. I'm interested to just take a look. Yeah, it looks pretty fresh. Got their Hang Tight Tightening Tea Tree Clay Mask, Berry Bubbly Purifying, and Ginger Aid Energizing Ginger Clay Mask. So here are the others, really cute. I got this Nars Contour Blush. So this was only $9.99, and I have had one of these in the past, and honestly I think I had to, maybe I broke it or something, because I cannot find it anywhere. But this is a really pretty color. So here is what it looks like. You got 2 shades. So there are the 2 shades on my 2 middle fingers there. What I like about these is that they have pigment, but to me they're really blendable. I do think that these have gone away though. I think this is a discontinued product, and this one is in the shade Talia. I always keep these on hands. These are the Beauty Concepts Facial Cleansing Wipes. This particular one is lime and vitamin E, and it has just a really cute summery looking packaging. So I usually keep these around when I'm doing my makeup, just to clean my hands off, clean off my brushes, like the ones I use for dip brow so it doesn't get caked on. Basically just to clean up anything. And this is only $3.99 for 60. I got this Shiseido Protective Lip Conditioner. This has an SPF 12. It looks so nice. And this had like 2 seals on the inside of it. So it's just a really nice lip conditioning balm. This was a bit pricier. It was $9.99, but I have seen these before and they are so nice on the lips, and I need all the help I can get right now. I actually picked up 2 t-shirts. So these are more like fun, funky t-shirts, nothing serious. They were both $7.99. It says Some People Just Don't Get It, and it's got the little MTV television on it. It is so cute. This is like super oversized. I got an extra large. It's a little bit cropped, but I feel like just like lounging around the house, this is so cute. I had to have it. And another rather silly one. This one, again, is a little cropped, and this is an extra large, so it's a little bit big, but it says, "You guac my world." Do you see the cutie avocados? But this one's definitely more of like a around the house pajama pants type of shirt, but I thought it was really adorable. We only have one more bag left. So I actually wound up getting 4 bowls for my cat, so these are already done. The first one says kitty. So this one was $3.99. I got Cat's Rule. Again, $3.99. And then the last two actually came in a set. This was $7.99, and one says meow and one says purr. So I thought this was really, really adorable. All right, that is everything that I've gotten from TJ Maxx recently. My camera is probably about to die, so let's get into our dad joke. The shovel was a groundbreaking invention. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please leave a thumbs up if you like these type of videos. It would mean the world to me and it really helps my videos out. So thank you again, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.